This is Mazda Verisa and Demio no start issues. If your car cranks but does not turn over, you most likely have a fuel issue. First thing you want to do is you want to take this whole cover off, a couple of clips, and then take the screws out. 2 connectors will pop out. This comes off, and this connector here. One more screw down here you got to take off. This whole cover comes off. The fuel line is right here. So once this whole cover is off, you can get to this fuel line, take the clip off, pull the hose off, and then try and crank your car. If it spews out fuel, you know your fuel is fine. If it does not do so, you want to check your fuse. So down in here, fuel pump fuse, pull that out, look at it, make sure it's fine. If that checks out, next up, I would suggest grabbing a jar before you do this, such as that one, so the fuel is going to come out. On the bottom of the car here, here's your fuel filter. Mine did not need the special tool, but sometimes you need a special tool to pop these out. Take this out, take that out, and then see if the fuel filter is clogged or not. Mine was not clogged. As for the actual fuel pump itself, the Mazda Demio and Verisas, you cannot access the fuel pump through the rear seats. That's only, I believe, a Mazda 3 and some other models. If you go back here, you pull this up, take a look, but the Verisa and Demio do not have access to the fuel pump through the rear seats. There is no access. So unfortunately, I have to take it to a shop, get it lifted, drop the tank, and then take a look at the fuel pump. Good luck.